Hi guys, it's Nadun here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel we will discuss about how to analyze financials and management reports. The few first videos I will take you through the basic functions of Excel, which includes understanding the functions such as sum, sumif, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and so on. So today's video I will basically focus on the formulas related to the sum. Okay, then let's get started. So in this video we will basically cover the formulas related to the sum. The functions include sum, sumif, sumifs, and sum product. Sum means you will add values. Sumif give the function of adding certain values if some certain criteria is met. Sumifs would be effective if you have multiple criteria to fulfill. Sum product will provide you the answer by multiplying the corresponding rows and giving you a aggregate or the total number. So in this example I have taken hotel revenue model to explain the function of sum, sumif, and sumifs. So in this one you can see the revenue category of room and F&B and the product category relating to water villas, beach villas, food revenue, and beverage revenue, and in the each year what is our revenue. So let's quickly look at how we can use the sum function in total in getting the total value. The one way of doing is that you can add up individual values which would also give the sum function, and the other method is click on the equal and type sum open parentheses and select the area from E5 to E8 and close parentheses. Alternative method is go to fx icon, which would be helpful in inserting a function, and type the function in the description here. Type sum, then click go. So it will indicate the function that start off with sum. So select sum and then select the area, relevant area, then click enter. So it will give the total values. Let's quickly look at the sum function. So let's say we want to get the room revenue total. So then we can do equal sum if open parentheses. It is asking for the range. In this case, our criteria is room. So this is the range we want to see. This is the range we want to see whether the criteria matches or not. So select this B5 to B8 range, and then if we were to look at each year, then we have to keep the values constant. What you can do is you can click on F4 to lock the cells. In locking, what will happen is thus even if you drag the formula, the cell range will not change. And then our criteria is room, and then lock this one as well, F4, and the sum range is the range that you want to add the values. So in this case I want to get 2018. Let's say I want to get 2019, then the formula needs to be, then the formula of this area of D5 to D change needs to change E5 to E8. So how we can do that is, we will at this stage we will lock the cell of D5 by typing dollar sign in front of 5 and 8, so it will lock the range in close parentheses. So it will give a revenue of 150,000, which is correct. And then when you drag the formula, it will show us the respective years room revenue. So if you go and click on this, then you can see it has been, the formula has changed from E5, from D5 to E5 and D8 to E8. Let's quickly look at some ifs. So let's say I want to see the revenue of room and beach villas equal sum ifs. Then select the sum range. So in this case we want to sum in this range, and then like before lock the area of the 5 to 8. And the criteria range, the first criteria we want to see is the room. So select this range B5 to B8, and you can lock it by pressing F4. And the criteria in this case is room. You can lock this as well. And the second criteria is the product. So product range is from C5 to C8, and lock this one as well. And the criteria is beach villa, which is in the C13 cell. Lock this one as well. Then press close parenthesis and press enter. So you will get 100,000 as the answer. And when you drag the formula down the years, it will change to reflect the accurate numbers. So in this example, I have the total number of units and the unit price. For example, let's say I want to get the total revenue. So what I can do is I can multiply the unit sold by the unit price, which would equal to the total revenue given in this cell. So if I copy this down to the end, then this is my total revenue. Let's sum it quickly to see whether what is the answer. So 137 million is the total value that I am getting. So the alternative method of getting the same value is through sum products. So let's type sum product, and it's, the first thing is we need to give the array 1. So array 1 is the unit sold. The array 2 is the area that we want to multiply this unit sold by. So we will give the unit price, close parentheses, and then the answer we are having is exactly equaling to the previous answer we got by multiplying unit price by number of quantity sold. If you like the video, don't forget to press subscribe, share and like button. And if you wish to get the workbook of the video, please leave a comment with your email. Thank you guys for watching. Have a pleasant day.